MyGenie X500, the high-performance intelligent robotic vacuum cleaner. In today's fast-paced life, cozy comfort is what most people are looking forward to. Introducing MyGenie X500, a powerful and intelligent robotic vacuum cleaner with an LED touchscreen panel with vocal guide function, making cleaning operations simple and convenient. It is designed beautifully to complement to your house decor. Regardless of short-haired carpet, wood flooring, ceramic tile, marble or linoleum, MyGenie X500 can thoroughly clean your house automatically and intelligently. It speeds around and cleans your floors spick and span. With a unique self-adjusting cleaning system, MyGenie X500 is able to handle all your floor cleaning needs. With its special dirt detection spot mode, the robot can boost up its sweeping power when it senses a dirtier floor. It is designed with double HEPA filters and has no difficulty in picking up dust mites, fine dust, pollens, and hairs. Among all, it is great for those with children, pets, or prone to allergy or asthma. The infrared detection device at the bumper allows MyGenie X500 to avoid steps and furniture. MyGenie X500 can also automatically adjust its suction power according to different floor environments, making cleaning even more efficient and at the same time saves power up to 30%. Another handy function of MyGenie X500 is the virtual wall, which can deter the robot from entering a certain area. This is especially useful if you don't want to be disturbed. MyGenie X500 has the ability to return to the docking base to recharge when the task is completed. On top of that, when it is of low power, MyGenie X500 can automatically return to the docking base to recharge, after which it will then continue the rest of the work. With MyGenie X500, the whole cleaning process is automated, fast and efficient, eliminating manual burden without hurting your spine. MyGenie X500 is energy-saving and safe. For 10 battery charges, it only uses 1 kilowatt, and for each charge, it can maintain up to 90 minutes of cleaning. It is very quiet, which means minimal noises at 50 decibels while vacuuming. MyGenie X500 is made of ABS fireproofing material and does not cause fire hazards. It has met international test standards, and our adapter carries a safety mark too. If stuck, you'll hear a warning alarm and MyGenie X500 will go into auto standby function to ensure safety. The X500 cleaner has 4 cleaning modes: auto cleaning mode, spot cleaning mode, edge cleaning mode, and scheduling mode. MyGenie X500 robotic vacuum cleaner is easy to assemble and set up. cleaning and maintaining of MyGenie X500 is also simple and hassle-free. Available in Ferrari black or red, the design, color, and unique functions will reflect your immaculate taste. So why wait? Today, give yourself a modern lifestyle and hassle-free living by ordering the high-performance, intelligent robotic vacuum cleaner MyGenie X500 now.